You are really into health and wellness and you take care of your teeth because you understand that your mouth is connected to the rest of the body and your general health starts with your mouth. But with all this mask wearing, you probably started noticing some odor or bad breath and you were wondering what you can do about it. If we have not met before, I'm Dr. Mansi Oza. I'm a cosmetic and general dentist, the owner and the founder of Thermon Smiles. For past 2 decades, I've been teaching dental students. I've been doing one-on-one mentoring in our office, and I have learned a lot myself. I really invest into continuing education for myself so I can bring the best treatment to you, our patients. So when you're a patient at Thermon Smiles, you will know that our approach is oral wellness and oral health. So we go over your diet, your nutrition. We want to make sure that your mouth is not acidic. So the custom-made smiles that we create for you last you a lifetime. So you feel so confident about your smile because you know that you look and you feel great, that your whole life changes. Today I want to talk about bad breath. So usually we notice that bad breath comes from gum disease. So we all have like 700 some different species of bacteria in our mouths, and some are good, some are bad, but usually they are balanced. With the gum infection, like if there is tartar underneath your gums and there are gum pockets, the bad bacteria kind of get stronger and they give off sulfur gases, and that's where the bad odor comes from. The bad odor also comes from the tongue. So if your tongue is accumulating a lot of dead cells and bacterial byproducts, food particles, and if you are not scraping it off, then your mouth will smell bad. So one simple thing that you can use after brushing and flossing at least twice daily is a tongue scraper. Let me show you what it looks like. So that is a metal tongue scraper, and what you do is you go from the back of the tongue and kind of pull it forward. You want to do it really gently. You don't want to hurt yourself and you don't want to go too far back, otherwise you would gag. But this is much better than just brushing your tongue. And this comes in different varieties. There are plastic ones, metal ones. This one is mine. It is metal and it just lasts a lifetime, I would think. And you just wash it off after each use, and you will see that you will taste the food better. Your mouth will feel fresher. But if you have lasting bad odor, I would definitely recommend that you get yourself checked, your gums checked at your dentist office. So I hope you found this tip helpful. If you want to know more about our process of smile design and smile makeover, we always offer a complimentary Zoom call. It is completely free and it is one-on-one time with me. We go over what bothers you about your smile. Is it the shape? Is it the shape? Is it the alignment of your teeth? And you will also get to know about how we work. So I can't wait to hear from you. Here is to a radiant smile.